Volcanoes are known for their eruptive behavior. Magma is a red hot, runny rock which resides deep under the earth. A magma bursts through a crack in the earth's crust, resulting in eruption. Now, here's a fun fact. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa is an extinct volcano. The magma which has been erupted from a volcano is called lava. Lava is either thin and running or thick and lumpy. Later, lava cools down into a hard black rock. Now, here's another fact. Volcanic ash can flow across the ground at over 160 km per hour. Classifications of volcanoes. A sleeping volcano, which can wake up at any time, is called dormant. A volcano that still erupts is called active. An extinct volcano is never likely to erupt again. Again, the third fact of the topic is most active volcano on Earth is Kilauea in Hawaii, which has erupted non-stop for almost 20 years. Another question. Do you think we only get volcanoes on land? No, there are hundreds of volcanoes on land and many under the sea. What are geysers? Geysers are non permanent geological features which are generally associated with volcanic areas. As the water boils, the resulting pressure forces a superheated column of steam and water to the surface through the geyser's internal pumping. Why do some people prefer to live near volcanoes? Volcanic rock and ash provide fertile land which results in higher crop yield for farmers. Tourists are attracted to volcanoes which results in the increase in money for the local economy. Geothermal energy can be harnessed which provides cheap electricity for locals. Guys, thanks for watching this video and it's finally time to say bye. Bye.